Alright guys, we got a 4-ton split system gas furnace. Butcher is a carrier. Butcher 4-ton. Butcher came out and said the compressor was shot. So we're here. They called for a second opinion. And we're here now making sure that that is the case. Of course, if you look close on this filter dryer, there is oil on it, so it definitely has a leak. But alright, I have the unit powered on now after I checked the compressor. Compressor is working. Running about 10 amps. Let it change a little bit, but running 10 amps. The compressor is a little loud, but it is working. I have sweat back on the lines. The R22 Freon, our pressure, low pressure is kind of high. And then also I have rusted out. And over here, filter dryer is leaking, it's got oil on it, rusted, leaking. We got a few issues here. These were the questions before I left. We're going to recommend that the owner replace the condenser in the box coil, because with the rust issues and the oil that's leaking out, it's only a matter of time before the leak gets worse. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to make sure you get the notifications. Thank you.